Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate Netskope email DLP capabilities and how customers can protect their business critical data or information with Netskope Cloud Security Platform. Before I start the demo, I'll show you how the email flow happens between Microsoft and Netskope. This also includes some of the key configurations on both the domains. Netskope Cloud Security Platform enforces uniform enterprise DLP policies across all types of devices that users leverage for mail communication. Exchange looks for domain, and if it finds mail is going out to external parties, then the mail reaches Netskope Cloud for DLP policy validation using respective connector notice-defined. Netskope performs deep scanning of content using enterprise class DLP and adds header variables if it violates the data protection policy. If no violation, no variables. Mail sent back to Exchange and it looks for specific header variables. If it matches with a specific variable set by Netskope, mail gets dropped. If not, mail reaches the recipient mailbox. Netskope also helps organizations to leverage workflows, which brings data owners into action. Netskope gives option to insert variables in the header, which helps OThusify to forward the mail to data privacy officer or anyone in the organization who is responsible for data protection. They can review and act. This brings business into action to control data movement. More importantly, it enhances user experience without compromising security controls. Now let's see these features into action with some key business use cases. Just to make it simple, in this video, I'm going to use two policies. One for source code, which can be shared only with business partners, but not to any personal mailboxes. The other one is for PCI data and also the password protected file. This is the most critical one. Hence, it will go through workflow where it involves the data owner or whoever is responsible for data protection in the organization. And they can review and they can take action accordingly. Here's my setup. This is the test user, which I'm going to use. And this is the personal email box, and there's a partner email box, and I do have my BYD device connected. So here I bring it here. So this is my BYD device, and also has a privacy officer who's going to review the mails. So as a user, I'm going to initiate the first use case here. I'm going to send a mail to my personal email box. So here I'm going to attach a source code. Source code to personal mailbox. So here I attach the source code. I try to send. In few minutes, the user will be getting alert message because I'm violating the DLP policy as per the configuration. So here is the violation. So I get the alert message. And this clearly says it's blocked due to data protection policy. And I also see the detailed information about the mail, which I sent. Good. So now I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to send it to my business partner. So I'm attaching the same file, which I did before. But the difference is I'm going to send this to my business partner. So as per my DLP policy, this is a genuine business activity which I'm doing. So it actually reaches the partner mailbox shortly. So here you go. You can see the source code that I received. So now I can work on the source code to develop the software. Now, this time I'm going to use the other use case. So for that, I'm going to use my mobile. So here, first I'm going to send this to my personal account again. So I'm just trying to send this to my Yahoo account. So this time I'm going to attach PCA data. So I'll attach the PC card information. So here you go. So this is the data that I'm going to attach, the mail. So yes, just sent it. Good. So here the user got the alert. This time the message is different. It says it detected some policy violation. So it has sent to the privacy officer for the review. Okay, as a user, I'll wait for it. Meanwhile, let's go to the privacy officer's mailbox. Here you go. You can see I received. So this is a mail that I received. So as officer, I can see this mail is going to the some personal account, and I can also see the original mail. Okay, this contains a business sensitive data. So as officer, I have to reject this, and I can also add my response here. So that's it. It's pretty quick. You can see the user gets the message saying it is blocked due to policy violation. Good. Okay, now I'm going to perform another activity. In fact, I'm going to attach the same file, but this time I'm going to send it to my business partner. So I'll select the file. So I attach the same file here. Done. First, the user gets a notification, and then we look at the data officer's mailbox. So here is the alert notification. It's a similar one. Now we'll just look at the privacy officer's mailbox. Here you go. So PCA to business partner. So same thing I get over here. I can also see the original mail with attachment. Okay, for the demo purpose, I say that, okay, since it is going to the business partner, as a data owner, I just upload this. Start. You can see here, I just received that mail. Thanks for watching this demo.